because why not? And we are looking for seashells. Look at these seashells, guys. Look so cool. Pretty.
It's funny if I run in a shell.
Oh, yep. It would be the funniest thing in 2022. For me, I guess. Right, the fucking footsteps. The fucking footsteps are everywhere. Oh my days. It is so hot. I think I'm dying. Okay. Guys. Fun fact about me. I hate walking on beaches. I just hate the beach. I hate going in water. It disgusts me a lot. Not gonna lie. Because first thing is disgusting because there are like a lot of rocks and there are seaweeds. And then second is tiring. Third, I'm too lazy to wash my leg. Wash the sand off my legs. And then fourth, I hate how hot it is. Yep, that's me, guys. We are going back. I don't know why they're walking that way. I hope the sand I'm stepping on is really hot. Whoa, that's a lot!
Yeah, there's a lot.
Okay, we can sit here.
He's wrong. I'm holding the
I need tissue.
phone the wrong way, bro.
Mommy, is that tissue up there?
Hey.
To dry my leg.
Don't go away.
Like a daze. You're looking at me.
I feel your hands.
Hey, I did. I should glasses like her. I want to change to sunglasses. I had that for like a few days, and I got new ones. The ones that I was wearing is my mom's. Like, oh my god, this one is like me and my mom for some reason. Me and my mom have the same degree.
I didn't know that. Whoa, that's cool. Just like
Kind of. It's like I can see, but then it makes me dizzy.
Oh, my one is brighter than yours. Why is your one so dark? Hello, everybody.
It's the max. Look, it's the max. Can't even see it. Look, it's the max.
I think your phone is just dark in general. But yeah, we can change cam. Okay, here you go. Do you want to take over?
It's so bright.
It's Happy's cam. No, I think because your one was under the sun, so like it's still adjusting to the normal light. I'm not even in. Why you like to do it portrait?
What the hell?
It's like the whole thing become portrait and it's like you're talking about like the person or you're talking about the fact?
The object. What?
You don't get the joke. My fan is bigger than yours.
Okay.
You're talking about the object or you're talking about the person?
Person? Why person?
What? Fan.
Fan? We have fan? What?
It's so stupid right now. I don't know why.
It's too early, bro.
Fan, like you know, fan base fan.
Saturday 10.
She said she got a real fan. I was like, you talking about the person? Or you talking about the oh my god! Anissa, it's not that early, you know. I keep looking, I keep going like this, and my gosh, it's not
too
there.
early for me. It's 10.
Oh yeah, she'll be still sleeping during
It's
this time.
10:45.
Like, and then 11 is like when she stopped playing her phone.
Yes.
Yeah, so like, if you text her at 8, she'll reply you at literally 11 or 12.
Wake up. No, I will wake up at
Like 10.
I wake up at 9. But I take time to adjust to the
Yeah, but if
To
it's
me.
like this, if it's like today, you go out of the room, then you sleep at the couch.
Oh yes. She's exposing me right now.
I'm sorry guys, but like she does that every time.
Yeah. I will wake up.
And then she will go outside and then she will sleep more.
Mm-hmm.
And she to take like 1 hour.
And then I sleep, and then my atuk will come into the living room, and then I will just changeless.
You literally will like go. You move your leg instead.
No. I will go inside my room.
Oh yeah. Because by then his room is ready.
Yeah. It's either I go in by myself, right, or my siblings cheer me up. And then they will ask me to sleep inside the room.
Yeah, we're like, Anissa, come, let's go.
I'll be like, oh, okay. Then continue sleeping. Oh shit. Don't tell her I dropped her. Sit in the water. She's gonna scold me right after this. Right after this video, she's gonna like find out I dropped her phone in the sand. Can you hold? Oh my days. In the future, if you see the video of me dropping your phone in the sand, I'm very, very sorry. Bian.
What's the phone? Like that.
I dropped Haechan. Haechan, I'm very sorry. Oh, my phone adjusted to the sunlight already. Oh yeah, Chaira is struggling with the scooter.
I'm tired. Abandoning it. No
She
idea how to
said no
function
more. Yes, this is Haechan.
Oh my god. It's my fault.
Oh my days! Oh my days! Wow. Wow.
I mean, you can like show that.
And then this mark.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
Hey, you're gonna follow me cycle. Are you joining?
No.
Okay.
I'm adjusting this thing.
Yeah. Shaira is not joining me because she don't join. No, she don't have bike. She don't know how to ride bike. Recording. For Shaira told me to. Well, she said I can record if I want, so I choose to record because of her. Yeah. So this is Shira camp. Oh, this is Shira camp. I better you try in front of me. This is like Jeno and Jimin riding a bike.
오르막길이 보이기 시작했어.
Right now I'm craving for Slurpee. I need a Slurpee. I actually don't know if you can hear me. But yeah, I need a Slurpee.
Hello. We are in a different venue. My going. It's so huge. Okay, let me move this. Wait. This is the pastry. We got red velvet croissant and berries. Berries croissant. First, what do you want to try first? I think best for last, right? So this one. Go.
Which one first?
This one first. It's really nice. I don't think can do it like that because it's like kind of hard.
Let me take butter knife.
Should have come here in the frame. Be like,
Come here,
Okay.
yes. Hey, hold on now. Even though I already eat this, I know what's the taste, but like, okay. Here you go. Mmm. Very, very, very nice. We start in the extra one, the beauty, gorgeous one.
Hello. Have you seen?
Part it half. I said I cutting. Can you do? Later you'll be like ah.
Into the
Wow. Shit, man. Oh, What is it?
Everybody quiet, everybody quiet, everybody quiet. I feel so sad.
You're gonna eat it anyway. It's gonna like just do one. This is how it looks like. Okay, bye.
Wait. Okay.
Okay, we have to change. Come back with different clothes. I'm gonna change. Like a wife.
밥 먹으러 갈게요.
저희 밥 먹고 밥 드세요 하도록 하게.
지상이가
안녕.
지신이 빠이.
안녕.
안녕. 아니 한번 가까이 갖고 와줘. 한번 가까이 갖고. 안 돼.
나도 자신 없는데.
아나 명부했단 말이야.
그래. 아니야 내가 안 돼.
아나 명부했단 말이야. 봐봐. 나 진짜 오랜만에.
줘봐. 가까이 간 다음에 가봐. 어디 한번
여러분
가봐.
빠이.
아니야, 가봐봐.
알겠어.
알겠어. 안녕.
면도. 여러분 빠이.
보여.
안녕. 안녕. 갈게요.
안녕.
바이바이.